exercise 13.5. We will learn some basics in this, which we will use in exercise 13.5. So I am writing some standard results on derivatives. Some standard results on derivatives. These are formulas we will use in exercise 13.5. First, d by dx of constant is equal to what? 0. D by dx of x is equal to 1. D by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. This is called power formula. Power formula. Fourth, d by dx of, if it is like ax plus b whole power n, then also we will write n ax plus b n minus 1. And whatever is the term inside ax plus b, we have to again do d by dx of ax plus b. So it will be what? D by dx of ax, that is what? A is constant, so a d by dx of x is 1. So into a plus d by dx of b is 0. So n ax plus b whole power n minus 1 into, you have to divide d by dx of ax plus b. You will get a. Fifth, algebra of derivatives. Now you have to learn algebra of derivatives. Like first, algebra of derivatives. D by dx of c into fx. Any function is there in x and constant is there. I can write what? C outside and you have to do c d by dx of fx. Second, d by dx of fx plus gx. If you d by dx of fx plus gx. So d by dx of fx plus d by dx of gx. Is it clear? D by dx of constant in the function of x. You can write constant outside and you can do d by dx of f of x. D by dx of fx plus gx. It is d by dx of fx plus d by dx of gx. Same if it is d by dx of fx minus gx. You can write d by dx of fx minus d by dx of gx. That's clear? Now fourth point, algebra of derivatives only I am writing here. It is d by dx of function of x into g of x. D by dx of f of x into g of x. So what will you write? First you will write f of x, then you will do d by dx of gx plus gx will be here and d by dx of fx. Once you have to find derivative of gx, multiply with function of x plus once you have to find d by dx of fx and gx. Both derivative you have to find and multiply with fx and gx. fx d by dx of gx plus gx d by dx of fx. This is called product rule. What is this called? Product rule or Leibniz rule or Leibniz rule. Spelling Leibniz rule. This is called power formula. D by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1 is called power formula. This is called product rule or Leibniz rule. D by dx of fx into gx. You can write fx d by dx of gx plus gx into d by dx of fx. This is known as product rule or Leibniz rule. If like so many functions are there, function of x, gx, hx, rx, anything. So how will you write? D by dx of like fx, three functions I am taking, gx and hx. So how will you write? How will you write? Any two functions you will write first, fx, gx, d by dx of hx, like this, plus fx, hx, d by dx of gx, plus fx, hx, d by dx of gx, plus hx you did gx you did now, fx. So gx hx, gx into hx, d by dx of f of x. Here all derivatives you have to find. D by dx of fx multiply with gx and hx plus d by dx of gx multiply with hx and fx. Then d by dx of hx multiply with gx and fx. Like this you have to find. If so many are there, same pattern you have to follow. Now sixth part, d by dx of fx upon gx. This we did d by dx of fx into gx. Now d by dx of fx upon gx. D by dx of fx upon gx. How will you write? You will write gx d by dx of fx minus f of x d by dx of gx upon gx whole square. D by dx of function of x upon g of x. One function is f of x, other function is g of x. So first you have to write g of x d by dx of fx minus fx d by dx of gx upon gx whole square, where condition is zx is not equal to 0. It can't be equal to 0. This is called quotient rule. This is called what? Quotient rule. Is it clear? This is called quotient rule. Now d by dx of these all we did from algebra of derivatives. All six are clear. Now sixth number there. D by dx of fx power n is equal to what? N function of x n minus 1 dot. You have to do derivative of d by dx of fx. That is called what? F dash x. Is it clear? Any function is there. You can write n. You can treat that fx as x. So d by dx of x power n is what? N x power n minus 1. Same d by dx of fx power n. That is what? N fx power n minus 1. And this again you have to do. You have to find derivative of fx. So d by dx of fx you have to do. That's called f dash x. I am writing like this. Now derivative of polynomials. Derivative of polynomials. Derivative of polynomials. Let any function is given, f of x is equal to a naught x plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus and on a n minus 1 x plus a n. Is it clear? So f dash x or what? D by dx of fx will be what? D by dx of a naught x. It will be what? A naught is constant, so it will come out. So d by dx of x what? 1 plus a1 will come out. D by dx of x power n minus 1. D by dx of x power n minus 1. What is d by dx of x power n? N. So at the place of n I am writing n minus 1. X n minus 1. So n minus 1 minus 1. So n minus 2. A1 x power a1 into n minus 1 x power n minus 2. Like this you will write. Is it clear? Is it clear? A naught x power n. So here a naught n x power n minus 1. It was not x, it was x power n. So here also d by dx of x power n, so n x power n minus 1. Same it will come. So plus here it will come what? A2 n minus 2 x power n minus 3 and on. Like this it will go. Is it clear? So plus last it will be last term will be what? A n minus 1 n minus 2 a1 n minus 1 a1 x power n minus 2 plus a2 x power n minus 2. Fine. Plus n down plus a bar n minus 1. Clear. So here it is what? A1 last term is what? a n, that is what? Constant only. That term will be dy dx of a n will be to 0. This term will be what? Dy dx of this. So it will come a n minus 1. Dy dx of x is what? 1. So into 1 plus this is what? Dy dx of a n. Is that clear? So we'll get what? A naught. I can write n a naught x power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 a x power n minus 2 plus ends on a n minus 1. Like this you have to solve. For each, like dy dx of this plus dy dx of this plus dy dx of this, if this is a polynomial. Is it clear? Okay. Now derivative of trigonometrical functions. Derivative of trigonometrical functions. Derivative of trigonometrical functions. D by dx of sin x is equal to what? Cos x. D by dx of cos x minus sin x. D by dx of sin x cos x. D by dx of cos x minus sin x. D by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x is equal to what? Sec square x. For all x belongs to real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. Except odd multiples of pi by 2. D by dx of 10x is equal to sec square x for all x belongs to real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. D by dx of cot x is equal to what? Minus cos x square x for all x belong to R except even multiples of pi by 2. D by dx of sec x is equal to what? Sec x tan x for all x belong to R. For all x belong to R except odd multiples of pi by 2. And d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x for all x belong to R except even multiple of pi by. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x for all x belongs to real numbers except odd multiples of pi by 2. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cos x square x for all x belong to R except even multiples of pi by 2. D by dx of sec x is equal to sec x tan x for all x belong to R except odd multiples of pi by 2. And d by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x for all x belongs to real numbers except even multiples of pi by 2. Thank you.